Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tip on downloading. This one we're doing today is how to download Showbox again on your phone. I don't know if you had this problem a couple of months ago where Showbox got shut down, and if you want to have it again on your phone, this is how you do it. It's pretty much you could do it the same way. There's people saying that if you do it the same way, it won't work and stuff like that. But I gave it a shot and it worked. Right now, I just erased it from my phone. Oh, it's still here. I'll install that. Just to prove to you guys that look how easy it is to download. Alright, just go to Google, download Showbox. This one looks pretty good. Click on there. Let's try this one out. Download Showbox. Okay. Did it download? Let's see something real quick. Okay. No, it didn't download. Alright, let's try another one. Try this one. No thanks. No thanks. Alright, download Showbox. Yes. Here we go. This looks like a good one. There we go, it's downloading. And you could give some a different try, but anytime you see Showbox, APK, you're pretty good. So there's a couple of trying and error. You just gotta find the right one, a good one. And don't worry about going into that whole settings thing. It'll do that for you automatically now. If you're using a newer phone, I don't know about the older phones, but if you're using like an S9, S8, it'll do it automatically. It'll take you straight to there if it needs to. All right, look at it. We got it so far. Install. I just wish Showbox played 1080p movies. Okay, it's finished. Done. Let's open it up. See how it looks. All right, looking good so far. Yeah, there we go. We got Showbox back. Movies, check out the new movies. Look at it. We got Aquaman, new Bumblebee movie, Robin Hood, The Grinch, Bohemian Rhapsody. Great movie. Just saw that yesterday. And look at that. We got Showbox back.